What's your name?
My name is Jenny.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Where do you live?
I live in Bangladesh.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
How many apples are there?
There are 3 apples.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot today.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.